Once upon a time, King Maximilian II of Bavaria bet the state treasury during a game of pool and ended up losing it to his own treasurer. However, some experts doubt this story, so let's talk about something real. Here is an augmented reality project called Pool Live Aid. Here's the deal. A projector camera setup checks out how the cues and balls are placed, then offers advice and even shows the score. It's all tied to social media too. For instance, you can upload the current table situation and have a vote on the next move. All in all, the creators are sure that both pros and newcomers will find it interesting. Another threat looms over warehouse workers, handlers, sorters, and a few other pros. These robots work longer with lower costs. Each robot lifts up to 25 kilograms works for 4 hours on a single battery charge and displays info on its built-in OLED screen instead of talking according to the manufacturing company. Now human workers can do other jobs while these robots handle box hauling, last-mile delivery, and even equipment assembly. The British economist John Maynard Keynes famously predicted his grandchildren would work 15-hour work weeks. That future is now within our reach, the company's CEO summed it up. Rescue operations often involve lifting heavy objects quickly and carefully, like in accidents where passenger buses can weigh up to 18 tons. These air jacks are made for such situations. The basic model can lift 26 tons, and the top model can handle a whopping 156 tons. This also lets you choose the best way to lift. And they've got load capacity enhancers, so that even if you use just 10% of their surface, they won't lose lifting power. Plus, they're handy and not too big. The basic model weighs only 6.5 kilograms. In the previous year, global trade reached a staggering $32 trillion, marking a new record. Just think about the immense amount of goods involved. Robots like these are no longer a luxury, but a necessity. Each 6-wheeled robot can carry up to 2.5 tons of cargo and could even join forces with other robots when needed. The most they've tested together is 15 robots carrying a total load of up to 37.5 tons, which is about the weight of 25 Renault Logan cars. The best part is they're easy to control. Just one person can operate them using a clever remote control, which even allows them to turn on the spot effortlessly. China alone has nearly 4 million electric car charging stations. Recognizing the challenge for electric vessel owners, the UK devised an automated solution. It's designed to attach directly to wind turbines and can charge 12-seater vessels like the Tia Elizabeth, often used for various purposes, including scientific missions, in about 2 hours. Systems development receives support from the UK Department for Transport and from Innovate UK, the National Innovation Agency. Successful port trials have taken place and there are future plans for a more robust version. It's a case of service vessels. Here's a toy designed for people with $150,000 to spare and a backyard the size of Monaco. Interestingly, it comes from there. The creators claim that you can learn to pilot it in just 10 minutes. It can accelerate up to 80 kilometers per hour with automated options for hovering takeoff and landing. There are limitations though. It can carry up to 90 kilograms and fly for a maximum of 15 minutes. It's impressive how confident the creators are. They started test flights just last year and now they're already selling this big boy's toy. Moving on, we have a prototype of a shape-shifting display. Imagine putting this display in a tablet. You can create 3D drawings or mimic the sensation of touching with your hands. The prototype relies on a grid of 100 robotic muscles that can be activated up to 50 times per second and respond to external pressure while it's too early to discuss sales. The creators believe this technology could be used in VR gloves or smart conveyor belts that can undulate to sort different products. Canada, the world's second largest country by area, offers an ideal setting for the development and sales of this drone. The creators state that it's 10 times more efficient than its rivals and assure speeds up to 100 kilometers per hour with a range of up to 120 kilometers. The key to its success lies in its unique design. It's essentially two drones linked by a frame and capable of carrying loads up to 25 kilograms. The drone isn't just equipped with an autopilot, it also features artificial intelligence, allowing it to detect obstacles, adjust its path, and return autonomously. Here is a robotic fish designed for filming underwater and collecting samples. A team of students from ETH Zurich in Switzerland completed it within a year, around a meter in length. It features artificial intelligence and is charmingly named Belle. Additionally, it's equipped with a unique silicon fin. This fin contains two water-filled compartments, enabling the robot to move naturally and silently, preventing it from startling underwater animals. The students aim for this robot to assist marine biologists in examining reef ecosystems impacted by overfishing, pollution, and climate change. Back in 2017, James Johnson suffered a neck injury that left him mostly paralyzed below his shoulders. However, he got invited to join a clinical trial of a brain-computer interface, and now he can control his prosthetic arm-drive virtual vehicles and even use Photoshop. His brain's cortex has a grid of electrodes recording neural activity, and the software translates this data into specific actions like moving the cursor. Similar tech will aid individuals with speech disorders too. Even if the muscles for talking don't work, our brain remembers how to form words and sentences. A recent breakthrough by Stanford University team showcases this progress. They place tiny sensors on 128 microelectrodes in the cortex of a 68-year-old woman with amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. Now she just thinks of a word, and an AI translates and displays it on a screen, enabling her to communicate at a pace of 60 to 80 words per minute. That is good. I have hope, right? What's the ideal number of vacation days per year? Ohio State University recommends at least 21. Statistics show that those who vacationed less had a 37% higher mortality rate. Hence, this hammock stand is a wise investment at $210 setting it up, takes just 3 seconds, and it includes a sunshade and holders for small items. It can handle up to 250 kilograms and is portable. It folds and fits into a bag, making it easy to carry anywhere. The Velio is a huge leap forward in the early development of children between 10 and 24 months. Declare the creators of this innovation. They believe that it will enhance balance and coordination thanks to the adjustable seat, a 15mm foam layer, and low-seating children can comfortably explore the world. Moreover, the entire bike weighs just under 3 kilograms, making it much simpler to manage than a stroller. This product will cost you $200. Many people have a liking for adventurous activities starting even in school, for instance. In Germany, Italy, the USA, and other countries, rock climbing is offered as an elective course. Consequently, the US alone boasts over 5 million climbers under 18, which means there's a demand for gear. Like these crampons, the model shown is suitable for routes, mixing rock and ice, offering excellent stability during their ascents, and featuring interchangeable front points. The pair of these weighs 926 grams and costs $245. Whether it's a simple camping outing or a massive event hosted by giants like Ford and Red Bull, these inflatable structures suit a range of situations, allowing you to swiftly arrange your area without hassle or extra costs. The variety in sizes and shapes is impressive. Take a look at this massive Chinese tent measuring 18 by 18 meters and designed to withstand snow. On the other hand, a Belgian company contributed to the Winter Olympics, producing designs that enjoy years of use and withstand hundreds of setups and takedowns. Lastly, let's talk about snacks, and that's where the plant shirt comes in handy. This word means sheet in Spanish, which is fitting since food is cooked on a cast iron or a steel sheet. Unlike grills, the plancha is great, even for small-size food, but it needs attention. Cooking is done with minimal oil or without any. For convenience, planchas are often sold as an upgraded unit. Here is a French version, a stove divided into 3 zones, allowing easy firewood loading and boasting a stylish design. This culinary delight weighs 72 kilograms and costs $21.80.